So here we are, our last winter in Nebraska. Thank the Lord. And you will find out. We are just shoveling our driveway for I don't know how many times already, and it's only Christmas Day. Here, look how high this snowbank is. Look how high. This is supposed to be our front steps to our house. Look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous. How in the world are we supposed to plow this when we have no place to put any of the snow? It's ridiculous. That's all I've got. Thank God for Texas. You can turn it off.